Okay, 128 says, which lines are parallel to this? I think it's easiest to put this into slope-intercept form and just find out what the slope is, right? So this would be negative 3y equals negative 5x plus 11, right? Subtract 5x from both sides. And divide by negative 3, so we get y equals 5/3 x minus 11/3, right? So the slope is right here. So now let's just find the slope for all these, right? So the first one is negative 3y equals negative 5x plus 4. Y equals 5/3 x minus 4/3. So A has the same slope. So there's one. We don't know how many there are, right? Maybe there's more. So the next one is 3y equals negative 5x minus 2. Y equals negative 5/3 x, right, minus 2/3. So B has a negative, the opposite slope. Okay, C, negative 5y equals negative 3x plus 11. Y equals 3/5 x minus 11/5. So again, 3/5 is not the same. And let's try D. 5y equals negative 3x minus 1. Y equals negative 3/5 x minus 1/5. And negative 3/5. So only A is a solution.